Welcome, and we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. Okay guys, wanna be removing the front seats in the Mustang. This is the 2006, but the same applies to many other different years. So what we need to do is move the brackets back so we can expose the two front bolts, and those guys are 13 millimeters. The back ones are 15 millimeters, and we want to use our clip puller to remove the supports for the harness so we can disconnect those. So let's go here and remove these two bolts. These are 13s in the front. Let's switch to the 15. Now let's move this one forward. Now we're gonna have this molding right there, and with this molding, guys, we just have to pry it towards the back, just like so. It came out. Now we go after the two bolts, the two 15s. We have another cover in the other side. Now we're gonna look for the wire harness down there, and it's already been removed. So right here, guys, this is our plug right here. So we just have to clip this down and it releases the other one. And when we have those released, let's see if I can do this with one hand. No, it doesn't want to. Once we have those, we can release or get the seat out, and that's gonna be everything for the removal. The headrest, you can remove it. It has this one right here, and in the other side there is a little pin, so you can actually see in the other opposite side right here. Once you remove that one, then you don't have to worry about getting it out of the car.